One of the objective of internal control related to accounting system is that all the transactions are promptly recorded in appropriate manner to permit the preparation of financial information and to maintain accountability of assets. To achieve this objective, certain matters should be ensured by the accounting controls. List down the matters to be ensured by accounting controls. So these are the matters to be ensured by accounting controls. What are the matters? Transaction executed in accordance with the management's general or specific information. So management need to authorize a transaction. So it's been executed now, it will be authorized by the management. Second, transaction other events are promptly recorded at correct amount. So promptly recorded and with correct amount. So in this date, correct date it should be recorded and the correct amount that respect to be entered. Transaction should be classified as appropriate accounts and in the appropriate period in the right. So appropriate period should be entered. Transaction should be recorded in a manner so as to facilitate preparation of financial statement in accordance with applicable accounting standard and other accounting policies and practices and relevant statutory requirement. So anything to be recorded as per the proper accounting standard, as per the proper accounting policies, and as per the relevant accounting requirement because it can't be done in any other format. In India, it as per the accounting standard. If a listed company is India, yes, and that should be followed. Recording of transaction should facilitate and maintain accountability of asset. So accountability should be there. So if something is recorded, that facilitates the maintenance of accountability of the asset recording asset being bought and fixed asset also to be registered. Not only that, when they go for verification, should be matched. Assets are recorded as required to be protected from unauthorized access, use or disposal. So asset to be recorded, not only so recorded asset should only to be used for authorized access only. Unauthorized access, this asset should not be used or should not be disposed of. This is the main point. And what records of assets such as a sufficient indication of assets, facilitate identification and location also should be maintained so the asset could not be physically verified, could be physically verified possible. So fixed asset register, that is in list of schedule of asset and a date of purchase, purchase invoice, what is the amount, years of depreciation, and where is the asset has been located, and everything should be there. When we go and find that in that location, the asset should match with the existing asset. So it should be in such a format should be there. So this is the things you need to know about the accounting control to achieve objective of preparation of financial information and maintenance of accountability of assets. These are the things to be considered.